Welcome to our Immigration.ca podcast. Our managing partner, Colin will talk about important developments in the Canadian immigration field. Colin, we recently found out that Canada plans to implement a new Citizenship Act. So, what are the main features of these new laws, and how should Canadians be reacting?
Well, Alex, it's a fact that the current Citizenship Act has not been modified in any substantial way in more than 35 years. So it goes without saying that these new reforms have been a long time coming. The new law will clarify an area which has been controversial, and that is the notion of physical residence. In the past, that area was not defined. Under the new law, physical presence will be required for 183 days in each of the qualifying years. As well, the new law raises the qualifying period from 3 years to 4 years. In addition, the new law will impose language and knowledge test to a far greater number of potential applicants, much more than it did before. Overall, I would say that Canadians should be very concerned with the direction that this new law is taking.
And why is that so?
Because historically, Canadian citizenship has been the gateway to Canada. In effect, Canada attracted historically the best and brightest business people, skilled labor, by offering Canadian passport, by offering Canadian citizenship. Under the new rules, however, it will become much more difficult to attain Canadian citizenship. The language test will become tougher, the knowledge test will become tougher, and these two tests will be applied to a broader range of candidates who will find it increasingly difficult to pass. The overall result will be less individuals qualifying for Canadian citizenship each year. Let me explain. Each year, Canada admits 250,000 individuals for permanent residence. From that number, Canada grants Canadian citizenship to approximately 185,000 people. That's a ratio of about 75%. We are quite certain that under the new rules, less than half Canada's annual immigration levels will eventually qualify for Canadian citizenship. This will harm Canada's reputation, and it will imperil its ability to attract the very best talent on the globe.